Hey guys, are you looking for the ultimate screen recording and video editing solution? Look no further than Wondershare Demo Creator. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, creating stunning videos has never been easier. Whether you are recording tutorials, gameplay, presentations, or online meetings, Wondershare Demo Creator allows you to capture every detail with crystal clear clarity. But Demo Creator is not just a screen recorder, it's also a powerful video editor packed with a wide range of tools to help you polish your footage and turn it into professional quality videos. So the link to the website is available in the video description. Must check it out. And I'll show you how to screen record using Wondershare Demo Creator. One of Demo Creator's most popular tool is the all-in-one recorder, which enables you to record all your screen's activity including your mouse actions, clicks and keyboard commands. So the first step is to launch Wondershare Demo Creator and download it and install the Wondershare Demo Creator software on your PC. Then launch the software and you'll get to this screen here. And the next step is to select the process. You have to choose the desired panel from the 6 available options such as game recorder, virtual avatar, cameras, screen and camera and video presentation. Then select the recording by clicking the screen option right here at the top. Then choose the recording area, click on the HD option under zone capture here and it will pop up the list of various different sizes. Select according to your needs. I'll choose this one, which will then take up the whole screen. Demo Creator provides a selection of preset recording formats including full screen to Kelvin, Full HD, HD Portrait, and even social media science formats, which are ideal for sharing on social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Then start the recording. Simply select the record button on the Demo Creator home screen to activate the unique recording area option. These features make a recording just what you want, simple and free of extra clutter or distractions. Demo Creator is flexible enough to meet your demands. Here are the best features over the shared Demo Creator. And it is integrated with Fluid Hub, a platform that enables users to share their VRM3 3D characters by connecting their Void Hub accounts with Demo Creator. Users can enjoy greater flexibility in terms of selecting any virtual characters they want to use. Furthermore, VRM offers advanced features like facial expressions and eye tracking, which are important components for creating immersive and expressive virtual characters to ensure the avatars appear exactly as intended in videos. Demo Creator also provides customization options such as adjusting the angle, size, and position of their avatar. VTuber Toolkit is capable to create customized video content so that users can engage with their enthusiastic audience. Voice Changer easily transforms your voice into another character with just one click, powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. This innovative AI voice changer for PC and Mac lets you modify and customize your voice over to add a unique style to your content. Voice changer is not limited to just speech to speech conversions. It also works great with text to audio, and the app supports over 48 AI voices that can bring your textual data to life. It lets users create virtual avatar recordings, make it indispensable for all your virtual audio and video needs. You can record any sound that is playing on your computer, including music, gaming sounds, and even video. System audio recording is very helpful for those who wish to make tutorials or gaming videos with some background audio effects. Microphone recording. Wondershare Demo Creators lets you record your microphone in addition to the system. This is very helpful for content producers who wish to add comments or voiceover to their videos, artists who want to record their own music, and educators who want to provide video courses or lectures. Advanced camera effects. You can move things around on your screens. Let's quickly do that now. Let's move my webcam over here. We have got a few options down the bottom here to play around with the camera effect. The camera features include the circular frame, the rectangle frame, AI facial recognition, and a green screen style effect. How to record webcam only? To record webcam only, select on record screen, turn off the system audio here, and make sure that the webcam recording option is on setup your webcam the way you want it. Another thing to remember is that you can hide the webcam preview once you are recording. If you so please editing the video, one of Wondershare distinguishing qualities is that it provides users with a one-stop service for all the tools they need to produce an entire video. After recording your camera, screen, and audio, you can smoothly switch to the editing interface by clicking the square icon or the F10 button. How to add cursor effects? Adding cursor effects to your recording is a great way to draw your viewers' interest to particular areas of your screen or to emphasize screen recording is its most fantastic feature, which also became the reason for the popularity online. It allows you to record the screen by setting any aspect ratio beside. It is possible to capture the desired screen part manually. Also, you can do real-time screen drawings, eye writing on the screen drawings, arrows, highlighting content, and even screen recording with your face via webcam is easier. So you can create demos for any purpose. Moreover, it also supports functions like recording microphones and audio fade in or out. Even you can export recordings without editing and annotations. However, it helps you improve your videos using advanced transitions, green screen effects, and stickers to add a fun element. Wondershare Demo Creator pros and cons offer an organized and user-friendly interface allows you to record webcam videos effortlessly, helps you edit the recordings by its excellent video editing feature, lets you record a particular area of the screen using a magnifier, provide you with a set of virtual avatars for a presentation. There is no such cons of Demo Creator. In conclusion, Wondershare Demo Creator provides an impressive array of features that simplify the process of creating high-quality videos, from screen recording to audio capture and advanced editing capabilities. This tool offers everything content creator needs to produce. The one important thing that Demo Creator has just launched is that you can easily unlock new AI features with Demo Creator 8. You can accelerate screen video creations with the new AI assisted workflow in Wondershare Demo Creator 8. So here you can see you can easily add AI subtitles, AI text to speech, video object remover, AI vocal remover, AI voice changer, and AI beauty filter effects in this new version of Demo Creator 8. Here you can also use the 50,000 plus visual assets to spark your creativity, and you can enhance stability for 100% faster. And here you can see the features of Demo Creator 7.3 and Demo Creator 8. Here is the total recording, editing, and video resource and other options. You can easily check it out here. The link to the website is available in the video description. Must check the Demo Creator 8 at the best price. You can also check the pricing here. Here you can see you can easily get the full version in very low budget. So hope you guys must try it and enjoy its amazing AI tools. You can easily add captions, and you can also remove any object from the video, and all the things are available here. So must check it out. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment on below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.